Hey there, assalamualaikum. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Romiza. I make videos about skincare, beauty tips, makeup, baking, cooking, and all that. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and you can also follow me on Instagram. And if you don't want to, you don't have to. That's all I can say. So okay, today I got my Fabfitfun edit box today. It was a sale going on, so I bought some stuff. तो मैंने 9 प्रोडक्ट्स जो हैं वो परचेज़ किए हैं रिसेंटली, और इनमें से ज़्यादा जो हैं वो स्किन केयर की हैं. Yes, because I believe if your skin is better, your makeup gonna look better as well. You know what I mean? So yeah. Okay, so let's just dive into this box. ज़्यादा नहीं है, 9 products हैं, so like I hope this video is not going to be like too long. So the first thing I have here, which I'm very excited to try, is the Terre Mére Active Coconut Charcoal Clerefying Cleanser. Look like this. So the sale was actually super affordable. So it's a big size though. Let's see. Guess I. Ooh, okay. ये वैसा ही है जैसा you know like मैंने इनका वो लिया था. It was a moisturizer or something. Looks very luxury, like you know what I mean. Glass bottle hai. It was supposed to be like open like this, but not that. But yeah, I finally found it. Right? Does it have fragrance? Smell like chocolate. Smell like chocolate. But I like the luxury bottle actually. When I'm done with this charcoal cleanser for oily skin, wow. So yes, I am super oily in summer, so I hope this is going to help me. The cleanser has a super ingredient formula with the both skin cleansing and anti-aging benefits. Okay, because I'm over 30. Over 30 तो उसके लिए है. Oh, it has mushrooms. Okay, sounds like a good stuff. It's gentle enough to be used in both your morning and night skin routine using circular motion, massage cleanser, blah blah blah. So I'm gonna use this and then I will post my reviews, inshallah. So if you want to buy, you can get it because it's a good product. And the prices I will mention in the description box, just in case if you're curious, क्योंकि इस पे prices ना लिखे होते हैं. So okay, so next thing I got another Terre Mére product, and this is a Matcha Rose and MSM Antioxidant Moisturizer. Okay. Following cleanser serum, apply moisturizer as a final step on the morning and night skin routine. Everyone knows how to use moisturizer, so nothing fancy, but well, okay, their packaging is great. This is the packaging, like super cute with roses and all. Like, focus, hi, focus, there you go. See, so it has like roses thing. That one, this is different. It has blue and this is red. I mean, they're fancy. And then it comes in this matcha rose and cement. This is the thing. It is super fancy though. Okay, it opens the same way. I want to smell this thing. It has it's very refreshing. Like you know, जो oil, essential oils होते हैं. Nice. Okay, so I'm very excited to try this, and then I will post my reviews after a few times. Okay, then I bought these 3 shea butter hand creams. I'm obsessed with hand creams. I have to have something in my bag. Like my nails are super dry, like my cuticles, and my hands like. So I thought let's just get it. It was like $5 if I'm not wrong, but yeah. So okay. Let's try these. They actually look good. So this is lavender sage, lavender. I can't even speak. Okay, lavender sage hand cream, shea butter to dry skin, natural moisturizer, blah blah blah. Okay, this is shea butter. Okay, this is sage, this is butter. Why so complicated? And this is mint. Ooh, I'm gonna try mint. Mint is my all-time favorite. So these three you actually get, I think it was $5 or no. Okay, I will mention the price anyway. So okay, mint, I'm gonna try this mint, and it's 100% vegan, natural moisturizer made by shea butter for nourished and silky skin. Well, honestly, I actually don't stick to my hands only unless I don't have anything in my bag for my face. I would just use anything for my hands because it says okay sealed there. I want to try this actually. Oh, it smells so good. It smells luxury. I actually like it. Okay, so I'm not going to like apply right now because I already moisturized my hands, so like never mind. I got this, and then I have this Kopari lip glossy birthday suit. अच्छा ये बहुत छोटा सा यार, like okay, this is it, and look at the pink. It's very beautiful. It's so pretty. Oh my goodness, it's a very beautiful beige. I'm gonna apply now. Wow, super glossy. So it just smells good. It smells good. It's actually like a melting because maybe the weather is going everywhere. So this is this, and then I've got another thing which is face mist. Okay, this is hydrating face mist Rose. I'm excited about this product. It's very tiny, but I don't know if it's worth buying because I'm curious about the fragrance. It smells like my other Rose product, and it says the senses of hydrating skin with 100% natural handcrafted aroma, shake before gently, blah, blah, blah. Okay, it's very tiny, but I can keep it in my handbag for sure. Okay, so it actually smells like roses anyway, so yeah, because it's rose water type thing, but it's a little fancy because it's not just rose, it has something. Oh my god, but the size is actually cute. I mean, like, I do have a big one for my vanity, like, so I can use at home. तो ये मैं अपने पर्स में like हैंडबैग में रख सकती हूँ क्योंकि छोटी सी बॉटल है प्यारी सी. अच्छा जी, अच्छा अब next क्या है मेरे पास? Oh, okay, this is Murad Acne Control Rapid Relief Acne Spot Treatment. So I know I'm having issues sometimes when I have acne on my face, especially मेरे यहाँ चीक पे भी निकलते हैं, तो ये मुझे help करेगा. So it says with a powerful connection between my body, skin, or whatever, and then it's apply a thin layer on affected areas 1 to 3 times daily as needed. Apply one small affected area, blah blah blah. Okay, so this is actually going to help my husband actually, but he is having I don't know क्या मसला उनके साथ, तो उनके ना acne है यहाँ पे फेस पे कुछ निकला था, पिंपल डम्पल जो भी whatever, तो ये हेल्प बहुत छोटा सा है, मतलब it was expensive though. I mean like सेल पे तो ठीक ही था, पर वैसे ख़रीदे तो it's quite expensive. But this thing is going to help me and it's going to be my best friend. अगर ये ठीक काम कर गया उनके ऊपर then I will try. फिर मैं अपने भी यूज़ करूँगी, तो मैं तजर्बा जो है ना उनके ऊपर करूँगी. तो ये हो गया. और क्या है? Then I bought another product by Terre Mére. It's revitalizing night cream. थोड़ा सा मुश्किल हो रहा है, क्या ये पढ़ो. What is this first? Okay, so niacinamide and algae. क्या है यार ये, इतनी मुश्किल herbs, पता नहीं जो भी है. Well, another fancy thing by Terre Mére. Oh, it comes with a spoolie, so I don't dip my hand. Oh, इतने बड़े बॉक्स में इतना सा छोटू सा. Okay, I must say this brand's products looks fancy and luxury. This is anti-aging cream, sealed. Smell like some sort of wild herbs. Yeah, कुछ तो wild herbs type चीज़ है इसके अंदर. So I will definitely give it a try. It's actually thick. Let's try just a little bit. I don't want to use too much. फिर मैं apply कहाँ पे करूँगी ना, मतलब. See? Smells like some wild herbs type thing. Yeah. So well, it's a night cream, so I finally got something different because I've been using Lancome and Estee Lauder for like years now. तो मैंने कहा चलो कुछ और भी try करते हैं. So I'm gonna try this now. What this thing is? Okay, I need to open it. Oh, achha, okay. I bought these two brushes. It was $14 for both, I think, and they're very great. Like मैंने अपनी बेटी के लिए खरीदे हैं basically. एक मैं अपने लिए रखूँगी, और एक मैं I think मैं रोज़ golden खुद रखूँगी और सिल्वर उसको दूँगी. पता नहीं. I will give her both. She's just 3 years old. She doesn't know like what to choose, but मैं उसको दिखाऊँगी like अगर उसने कुछ pick किया तो she can keep that one. So मैं basically I bought it for my like you know handbag. I need to keep it because मेरे बाल जो है ना वो बहुत thin है, तो like they get tangled easily. तो मुझे फिर काम पे ना I don't know मैं कौन सा वाला रखूँगी, but these are the brushes. I'm not going to open them unless because अभी मेरे पास एक tangle teaser है, so I'm gonna use that, but I'm gonna keep these two. It says mini chrome brush, premium boar hair, anti-static, bristles, on the go, detangling, blah blah blah. Okay, the brush though इसमें क्या इतना fancy है, बस ठीक है brush है. So then I got like I'm super excited about this product. So these are sugar. It's gourmet sugar and summer berry coconut cake. Flavor is smoky vanilla cherry and ice cream cake. So these are sugar basically. तो मैंने सोचा कि let's just try because sugar किसी ने मुझे कहा कि अगर आप ये यूज़ करेंगे तो it's gonna taste better and then it doesn't have that much calories what जो regular sugar होती है उसमें जो calories होती हैं उससे इसमें कम होती हैं. तो serving size Total fat 0. Okay, sodium 0%, protein 0%, calories 7. So I mean, what 7% or what? So like इसमें fat तो खैर नहीं है, चलो. Okay, I'm gonna open this because there is no point talking about without checking. अब मुझे ना फ्लेवर का नहीं पता कि how it's gonna taste. Oh, look at this. It does have this plasticky thing in bottom. और okay, अब इसका expiry date काफ़ी अच्छी है, like 2022 में expire हो गई है. And you can make, you know, give authentic flavor to your whatever. So it has cookies, cupcakes, coffee, tea, or ice cream, or regular cake, or whatever. So canned sugar, vanilla beans extract, strawberry, vanilla beans, lemon, raspberry, natural cocoa powder with 10 to 12% cocoa butter. Oh, acha, so it's like a packet खोल के इसमें डालो and then you can sprinkle like this. It's not safe if I do this because it doesn't have holding thing, so it might just spill my sugar. पता नहीं मैं क्या करूँगी. क्या हो रहा है ये? Okay. Well, it smells good. Oh my god, it smells so good. Okay, I'm gonna definitely try these sugars, you know, sugar flavors. Yeah. तो मैं अपना जो है ना वो रिव्यूज़ दूँगी इंशाल्लाह, क्योंकि मुझे ना बड़ी वो. Oh, these are the magnetic, so you can just put it on the fridge. Like मेरे पास कोई magnetic चीज़ नहीं है यहाँ पे. Oh, I got it. Okay. Okay. बस जब कभी चीज़ इस्तेमाल ना करो तो फिर ऐसी होते जब करो. Anyways, so ये है. I will definitely try them with my tea. मैंने भी पी लिया है वैसे, पर maybe रात में जब सोने से पहले पीऊँगी. I will try one of them, but I think I'm gonna enjoy all of them because these flavors are too good. Summerberry coconut cake, and then vanilla cherry, and then smoky vanilla cherry, and then ice cream cake. So wow. So I'm actually super excited about these skincare products. I would definitely post my reviews after using them for a few times. मेरे पास जो है पहले भी इसका एक वो maroon से like same color का इस टाइप की बॉटल है, तो सबके रिव्यूज़ जो है मैं इकट्ठे दूँगी क्योंकि ये प्रोडक्ट जो है लुक्स वेरी फैंसी एंड वेरी लाइक लग्जरी टाइप थिंग और एक्सपेंसिव भी है नो डाउट. सो दिस इज़ ऑल फॉर माई फैबफिटफन edit sale जो मैंने ख़रीदा इस मरतबा. So I will show you like my other products which I bought recently in my other videos. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye.